It's happening right here. This is the heart and soul of the IRWIN engineering team.
Well, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere, right?
IRWIN brand's been around for over 100 years, but we're still young. We got a lot of room to grow.
What is this blue and yellow company all about? How did the invention Charles IRWIN made in 1885 in a pharmacy in Martinsville, Ohio, influence a worldwide tool brand, making sales of almost $500 million a year? Find out how famous German engineering, science, quality assurance and a special way of inventing form the brand the trades rely on.
In this test center, we create products that are for the global markets. But the reason why we're here in Germany is that we want to be close to the European and the EMEA markets. This machine is a traditional lathe that we have modified to make flutes for drills for us. So with this device that we have built in-house, we can create any geometry that generates a flute for a drill. So a single flute, a double flute, triple flute, any kind of type, any kind of design we can build for a flute for a drill here. The drill test is very simple to explain. We're going to take the toughest machines that are available in the market. We're going to fix them into a CNC drilling machine. Within this drilling machine, we're going to kind of use a concrete block or any other material, and we're going to drill one hole after each other with a drill into this block. We're going to create a lot of data by doing so, and these data, we're going to kind of combine them, evaluate them, and get some characteristics of each drill. These characteristics, again, are very important for us. This is a device that we have developed internally together with the University of Stuttgart and TNO. It's an ergonomic institute in Amsterdam, which actually takes a basic handsaw, and we're going to fix it to this adapter. We're going to feed any kind of wood. The saw starts cutting. The dynamometer is a device that helps us to record a lot of data. All the resulting forces that are going to be generated while the handsaw is cutting. These data are going to be collected in the software. We're going to measure all the key performances of any kind of handsaw. This helps us really to evaluate the performance of a handsaw and helped us tremendously to develop the successful EVO handsaw. Handsaws, similar to drills, we want to create the best product in the market. So a handsaw test and a performance test for us helps us to develop and define the best tooth geometry for a handsaw. Together with the ergonomics, these are the two main elements of a handsaw. Quality assurance is a big topic for us. We want to make sure that our product, as we have designed it, really is available in the shop for the end users. We want to create innovative products that are meaningful for our end users, that exceed or meet their expectations. We want to have a product that brings them a demonstrable advantage.
Where does this bold up-and-coming company come from? What is the core of IRWIN Tools? Meeting European Marketing Director Stefan Kopiecki, we took the opportunity to examine how this company is not only rich in tradition, but also rich in innovation. IRWIN hand tools or power tool accessories may be of extraordinary quality, but to be successful, you have to keep close contact with the tradesmen and the markets they are designed for.
IRWIN's focus has been and always will be the professional tradesman. We produce products that are highly innovative and very high performance that allow professional tradesmen to do their job in ways they didn't think were possible. We extend their capabilities to do their job better than they could imagine. IRWIN, the brand, comes from Charles IRWIN, who invented the auger bit over 100 years ago. We invented locking pliers. William Peterson invented the locking plier over 50 years ago. The cornerstones really of the company are innovation. The IRWIN brand has been around for over 100 years. IRWIN had almost 0% brand awareness in Europe. Right now, in some markets, it's almost 70% brand awareness here in Europe. We've done a lot of things to enhance our brand with professional tradesmen and also with our customers. We've done things such as professional motorsports racing. We've been in the Porsche Super Cup, first with just one car, then most recently with 2 cars. And then we've gone into other programs. We launched a program called the IRWIN Tools Ultimate Tradesman Challenge. This is a fantastic program where we take 2 tradesmen and put them in a competition where they have to perform a task with IRWIN tools. The best time in the task goes on to the next level. We use feedback in all of our new products that we develop. We put through a process called a CDI process, Consumer Driven Innovation. To me, the IRWIN Consumer Driven Innovation process means that we just do not invent products in a lab and market them. We actually get out with our tradesmen and understand all the challenges they have and then develop products that meet their challenges.
When you buy tools, does it seem like you're left alone to make your choice? What if you need special know-how or tips to perform a specific task? Okay, maybe you try to find somebody that has the right answers, but have you ever wondered why some guys know so much more about the tools you may need? Well, they're not rocket scientists or superheroes, but they did go to school one more time at IRWIN University.
What happens here in the university is that we invite all our sales and marketing members, which are new in the company, to get here up to speed how to use our products and how to sell them as well. We have mixed training more or less. We spend half of the time we spend in my showroom to explain features and benefits on PowerPoint presentations. And the other half of the training takes place here in my workshop, where they get a chance to really test the products and feel the spirit. Every trade you can imagine. We have plumbers, we have electricians, really all professional trade end users. We have a full offer of different trainings, but for this particular training program, you spend half of the time in my showroom, where you get in theory informed about the products, and the other half of the time we spend here in the workshop really testing the products and running hands-on sessions. Ideal would be 10 people for a training class. If we have less, then it's even better for our trainees, of course, because they can more focus, and per year we had approximately 500 people trained one-on-one. Very important for me is that everyone is really trying the product, using the products. Well, in my cases, I'm responsible for the EMEA region, so they come really from all those countries: Europe, Middle East, Africa.
So, this is it? Not quite. What lies ahead for IRWIN Tools? How does the future look for IRWIN? Be sure the folks at IRWIN Tools never rest. They have ambitious plans for your toolbox and themselves.
We want to be the biggest innovator for hand tools and power tool accessories.
In the future, IRWIN's going to be known as the most innovative brand of professional tradesmen.
I see IRWIN Tools in 10 years everywhere available, in every trade workshop.
For more information, check out irwin.eu.